Hey good people, welcome back to my channel, Beauty in the Frizz. My name is Kara. If you're new, thank you so much for stopping by and clicking on the video. And if you're not, thank you so much for returning. You know, I really do appreciate all of you being here. Today, I'm just gonna share with you some of my new Sydney Grace eyeshadows. Now, a couple of videos back, I shared my grungy rainbow palette, which has grown significantly. Look how beautiful these eyeshadows are. I am so in love with the Sydney Grace formula. I'm in love with just everything about that brand. So if you want to see how I got this look, definitely keep on watching this video. Don't forget to leave me some comments and consider subscribing and joining my community because I would love to have you back. All right, let's get started. Okay, so like I said, I started off with a grungy rainbow and now I have filled up the whole palette. Sydney Grace had a sale not too long ago where I believe all the single shadows were 20% off, and they actually donated the proceeds from the single shadows to a family who lost a lot in these wildfires over in California. So I don't want to say that was an excuse to buy eyeshadow, because I probably would have bought it anyway, but I felt even better knowing that the money was going to, you know, a family that really needed it. This was also alongside of the restock of the Tiny Marvels palette, which was the collaboration with Mel Thompson. So, you know, it was a win-win. And they got their empty palettes back in stock. So, you know, now it's almost full and I might need another one soon. But I can't even tell you the new shades that I got because I don't even remember, but they're just all gorgeous. I have yet to try the cream formula, but I am just, if you have not tried Sydney Grace eyeshadows, I would encourage you to try it. I'm really starting to fall in love with these indie brands and just the quality. I'm starting to really get into single shadows. I'm just really into it. So there is another content creator who is super talented with single shadows. Her name is Kendra Morgan. She has a small channel like me. So if you like single shadows and finding dupes for popular palettes, she is somebody to check out. She's super talented with duping popular palettes using indie brands and single eyeshadows, so definitely check her out. All right, so today's video is just gonna be an easy one. I'm about to put the music on and I am going to go ahead and show you how I got this look. I'll swatch the shades that I'm using first and then we're just gonna get into it. All right, here we go.
You're telling all these lies, boy. You said you need a space, bet you're out right now, drinking with your friends, having a good time. But when you're feeling lonely, you come back around. You come back around. Oh. I'm done picking up your pieces. I'm done healing all your scars. You say we're done, but then next morning you regret what you said, huh? Here we go again. You tell me we're just friends, but then you call me feeling sorry for yourself. You want me back and tell me that you need my help. Here we go again. So tell me where your friends at. 'Cause you call me feeling sorry for yourself. You want me back and tell me that you need.
You can use it in 10 minutes. Well, I need my iPad then. Bring me my iPad.
Why put a little bit more bronzer all over? Well, that's what it is.
All these thoughts.
I feel like we're on top of things. Another day I'm just like,
Okay.
We're going in.
Do you,
Mama.
so you gonna leave me something with 4%?
4%.
You give me a charger too? He gonna switch my, I can't do this. This boy, let me focus on this look. I don't even have a mic on. I just had to say that. He switched out the iPad for the phone And then gave me a charger like, here you go. You can go ahead and charge up your stuff because I ran it down. You know, these kids are something else. They are something else. Now I done forgot what I was going to do. Ain't that something?
I just running wild. You treat me so bad, but then you love me right. I can't get this off my mind, oh. I'm done picking up your pieces. I'm done healing all your scars. You say we're done, but then next morning you regret what you said, huh? Here we go again. You tell me we're just friends, but then you call me feeling sorry for yourself. You want me back and tell me that you need my help. Here we go again. So tell me where your friends at? 'Cause you call me feeling sorry for yourself. You want me back and tell me that you need my help. Stay where you're at, I will be moving on without you, baby. Don't bother to come back this time. Stay where you're at, I will be moving on without you, baby. Don't bother to come back this time. Here we go again. You tell me we're just friends, but then you call me feeling sorry for yourself. You want me back.
Come on, Sydney Grace. All right, you guys, so I really do hope you enjoyed this look. I hope that if you have not tried Sydney Grace eyeshadows, that you're encouraged to try them. And if you do have some, you're encouraged to pull them out and, you know, make something beautiful. Like, you know, there's so much creativity when you have these single shadows because it's just, I don't know, especially when you pick them out yourself. It's like, that's you, you know? I don't know. Anyway, thank you so much for taking out some of your time and giving it to me. You know, I appreciate all of you. Definitely make sure that you are being gentle with yourself. Make sure that you're talking to yourself nice. Stay safe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.